Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Some farm animals, some wild animals, and some safari animals. The first one is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a hen. H is for hen. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a deer. This is a camel. This is a hippo. This is a peacock. This is a cow. This is a camel. This is a rooster. This is a rabbit. This is a duck. This is a dog. This is a gorilla. This is a cat. This is a giraffe. This is a donkey. This is a lioness. This is elephant. This is a turtle. A tiger. This is a rhino.